Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the natural flow of air moving in and out. Focus on where you notice it most. At the tip of your nose, in your chest, or in the rise and fall of your abdomen. Let your breathing be your anchor, grounding you in this moment. Each inhale draws in clarity, each exhale releases distractions. Now begin to count your breaths. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Continue up to 10, then start again. If your mind drifts, gently bring your focus back to the count and begin again. Each time you return to the breath, you strengthen your ability to focus. No need to force anything. Just observe, breathe, and stay present. Now, shift your attention to the subtle sensations of breathing. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale, the warmth as you exhale. Let your awareness settle fully on the breath. If a thought arises, simply acknowledge it and return your focus to the steady rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Take a final deep breath in, and slowly exhale. As you return to your day, carry this focused presence with you. Thank you for practicing. May you move forward with clarity and calm.